tail fin looks a bit vibrated, doesn't it? Let's have a little bit of a well, hopefully that's flying around a bit. Don't speak too soon. Well, it seems to be flying nice. I just rebuilt it after its little mishap last time out. I need to change some settings and I can't remember what now, so no, that's the trouble. Let's try that setting now. I know I've altered something, I can't remember what I altered. The agility, I think. How's that feeling? Any different? Don't know. Don't think the tail feels. The tail seems to be wobbling about a bit, is it? Ah, I'm coming down now. Well, the old tail's flying about a bit funny now. Let me just put that switch back. Oh, I don't know if that was had some different agility on it, and or whether that's just made no difference at all, and I'm just let me see. I'll have to look. Right, that definitely fucked with the tail, that did. I don't know what that did. I'll have to check what setting I put that on, but that really didn't make the tail that good. I thought I'd just changed the agility on the other switch mode, but I probably adjusted the maybe the cyclic gain or something, or the tail gain as well might have been different on that switch. I'll have to have a look. Either way, it's flying nice. Yeah, liking that. For a sort of, you know, small cheap helicopter. The main thing is it's cheap to repair, because I've crashed it a couple of times and I already had a few booms and things, and you can get them fair cheap. In fact, if you get the Taro ones, you can get them even cheaper. Although I bought some Taro parts, they haven't turned up yet, so I don't know how cheap they are if they don't turn up. Come on. The tail still kicks out of it sometimes, but I'll fed up with adjusting stuff. It's flying alright. I know sometimes you can try and keep adjusting stuff and it just gets you confused, so oh, out of land already. Oh well, Won't speak too soon, but hopefully it lands safely. There's I've had a few repairs on this one lately, and so far, touch wood, come on. Oh, come on. There you go. It's in one bit. It's in one bit. Oh gosh. That was alright. So I don't know what went wrong with it last time. I don't know if we lost signal. We've got a little satellite there, but it seems alright now. Good.